Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily export your notebook on the KOBO Elipsa 2E. So, if you're in the home section, then go to My Notebooks. It's right in the middle. Now, what you guys can do is press the three dots on your notebook that you want to export. Click export right here, and you guys can either export it to your computer, but you need to connect the reader to the Bluetooth, the USB cable. Also, you guys can export it to Dropbox and the Google Drive, but you need to log in to both of those. So if you choose to export it to computer, then you will have the notebook page. You can export it as a PDF, PNG or JPEG. I recommend using the PDF. Now simply clicking export, but I'm not connected to the PC, so it won't export, but that's basically how you guys can do that. It's very fast and simple. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.